Hi guys and happy 2026. I'm gonna continue teaching Scratch and coding. Today I'm gonna show you a video how to make a drawing game using Scratch. First of all, delete the cat, then click the pin. Make it a blank and rename it blank drawing sprite. Instead of using colors, we're using extensions. So click on the code tab, and you see this blue button over here. Click it, then you can see a ton of extensions from TurboWarp or Scratch. When we're just using the pen. Click it. There, you see a new blocks. Drag events when green flag is clicked forever and drag the go to random position block. Set it to mouse pointer. Drag another when green flag clicked, a forever loop, then an if then else statement. If the mouse is down, how the mouse is down is by holding like this. Then the pen should also be down, else the pen would be up when the mouse is up. Then let's get our original color. Then you set it to black. Everything is black. Then run the code. Wow, our pen is usually very smooth. But when you're drawing again, it will not. So you can go to backdrops or the drawing sprite and drag the erase all block on top of this or this. There, we have more to draw. Okay, then let's make the colors for the sprite. Let's make a color. It also needs outlines. First, let's make the red color. But first, we have to make this small. We have to include 4 colors. So, we have to place the sprite here, then duplicate it. Change the fill color and set it to green. There. Duplicate it again. Then we have 2 more colors. Blue. Let's make it blue. Listen to my... So we have to check their Y positions. This Y position is 139, 138, 139, 139. There, they're all aligned in order. Add 1 more sprite, but use the fill color to black. Green. This black. There. But if it's not black enough, set the brightness to 0. It will make it super black. To this position. 139. But if it's always stuck, go to code, then motion, then click change X by 10. Move it to this spot. There. 152, 73, 9, and 98. First, go to events when green flag clicked. Forever, then go to its position. Go to X position, Y position. We do that so we can copy it to the other sprites and it will place their X and Y. So we double check their X position. There. They're all complete. Now they're always in their X position. And when I try to drag it, so yeah, this, oh, 98, 98. Set the X position to 98. There. Just paste it into their exact expositions. But they're in their exposition. But they keep on dragging and not going back. So drag is set drag mode to set it to not draggable. Drag it after the go to XY position. So let's run the code. But not yet, because we're not done. Set drag mode, not draggable. There. For example, when I drag it, it's not going. I just set it at the top. 139. Just paste your X position and Y. Just set it to your X position. So it will update. Replace it with your Y position. There. And change X by -10 if you got the wrong X. There. Now space at 79 and set drag mode, not draggable. Now we meet the 4 colors and they have no issues. For example, when we drag the red one, it keeps drawing red, but let's make a size variable. Click on any sprite you want and click variables. Delete my variable, then make a new variable called size for our sprites. Then make it a slider and place it in this side of the stage. Then go to drawing sprite, then go to the another one, green flag clicked forever, then set pen size to size. So, for example, but let's change the slider range. The first size is 1 and the maximum value is 50. Okay, let's draw. First, let's set size to a recommended, like 25 when the game starts. Let's make something. Yes! It's cool. So, but these things will not work. If you want, I will make 2 sets of click blocks. You can choose the block when clicked or when the sprite is clicked. If you want to try the when clicked, like this video. If you want when the sprite clicked, subscribe. A ton of people are when this click is subscribe and when this sprite click is like. Maybe a lot of people are liking this video. It's just the when this sprite clicked. drag a broadcast and hit red. If you're using turbo, just repeat message red, then drag the when I receive red, set pen color to red. First, let's set the brightness to 100, the saturation to 100, and we can do to 0 or 100. Okay, let's just use the 100. Duplicate the process for all three sprites, but you need to change them of the color. Besides the color, another message called green. Then, for the wet blue, when this sprite click, broadcast blue. And for the black one, when the sprite click, broadcast black. There you go. Go to the drawing sprite and drag a when you see black. Set it to blue. Then after that, just ignore that noise. Set pen color to blue by setting the saturation to 100, brightness to 100, and setting it to a blue-like color like this. Or select the eyedropper, then put the color to this blue's color. Then, when I receive black, set pen color to 0 by lowering the brightness. And when I receive green, set pen color to green. So just select the eyedropper. You can select the green one over here. Not this. This one. For the code, you see a nice drawing game. But we just wanted the game to have a clear. Then add a new sprite, but don't leave it blank. Just make a nice thing. Set the brightness, saturation to 0, then make a board. But make it a rectangle. Then place it in this edge of the stage. And make sure it's in the middle. Then go to fill text, then set, then zoom in, then type erase all. Then once it's done, click drag a when this sprite clicked, broadcast erase. Wait, but it will be a sound. Then just make a sound when it's clicked. Coin. Let's select the coin. There. Now start sound coin. And when I receive the coin, or you can go to the backdrop and drag a when I receive erase block, it will erase all. The backdrop is the controller. For example, you type it erase all. Wow! It's making it. There. Wow! This is a nice drawing game. You can express your family. Or you can change the size variable and place it near the erase all block. So, you can set it. And the maximum is 50. Because 50 is too big enough. Stop. But if you want to add extra things, instead of the go-to mouse pointer, drag a point towards mouse pointer and instruction of it to move 10 steps. Oh yes, it's the same as go-to mouse pointer. Let's just use go-to mouse pointer. Please sound effects. No. Bro, just make it have sounds. But a piece of color. There! Wow, you can create anything you want. Let's make something. First, let's go to the web. Then let's make it max screen. No more code. Let's just make or you can use color variables. First, go back to the code, then add a new variable called color. Set it for all sprites and make it on top of the eraser block and set it to large readout. Then drag a set color to red. Over here, set it to green. Then after that, set color to blue. Just ignore that first. Blue. Then sprite 4. Then set color to black. Set color to black. Set color to black. Just ignore that noise over there and go to the drawing sprite and on top, drag a set color to black. There! That's cool. Wow. And you can pick the result block. Yes, you can make anything you want. And please like, but first, yeah. If you want to watch this video for more, click the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos about Scratch, click like and subscribe. And see you all in the next video. Bye bye.